find for what values of k in the system of equations x plus y plus z equals 1, x plus 2y plus 4z equals k, x plus 4y plus 10z equals k square is possesses a solution. Solve completely in each case. Okay, in each case. Now here what is they given? They given find the value of k. First you have to find out the value of k, and they given the equations. Here system of equations. The system of equations is a possess solution, so it has a solution, right? So it has a solution means the given equation is consistent. Remember that one. So you will get k values, right? So for each k values you have to solve completely. You have to find out x, y, z values. Okay, now here solution. Here first you have to write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. So what you get here? Augmented matrix. So it is A is to B. So you have to write the coefficients. So x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient 1, first equation, equals b1 is 1. And here in second equation, x coefficient 1, y coefficient is 2, and z coefficient is 4, is to k, b2 is k. And here x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 4, and here z coefficient is 10, is to k square you will get here. Now here to here, using r1, r2 first element, r3 first element, make it 0. So what do you get here now? What is 0 operations you have to do? Here r2, for r2 minus r1, and here for r3 minus r1. So what do you get here? 1, 1, 1 is to 1, and here this becomes 0. 2 minus 1 you get 1, 4 minus 1 you get 3, is to you will get k minus 1, and here this becomes 0, and 4 minus 1 you will get 3, and 10 minus 1 you will get 9, is to what you get here? K square minus 1. Okay, now what do you get here? Here using r2, make it r3 element 0. So r3 ke now it ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So r3 minus 3 times of r1. 3 times of r1 will get. So what do you get now? Matrix is, so we get here 1, 1, 1 is to 1, 0, 1, 3 is to k minus 1, and here 0, and here 3, minus 3 into 1 you will get 3, plus 3 minus 3 you will get 0, and here you will get 9, 9 you'll get minus 3 times of what do you get 3 3 3 is a 9 9 minus 9, so you'll get 0, and here you'll get k square minus 1 minus 3 times of what is k minus 1, so k square minus 1 minus 3k plus 3, so you'll get k square minus 3k plus 2, so k square minus 3k plus 2. So I told it as a solution. The given system of equation is consistent, right? So the given system is consistent means here this term becomes 0, otherwise here it get infinite. Matrix ಏದಷ್ಟಿದೆ you'll get 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, so augmented matrix ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so that becomes infinite solution. So there is no solution ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when it possible ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ it has a possessive solution means ಇದಕ್ಕೆ consistent ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. So when it is possible this term becomes 0. Now here we have rank of A equals 2, and for the system to be consistent, we must have rank of augmented matrix also 2. So when it is possible, this is here this is possible if k square minus 3k plus 2 equals 0. Okay, so then here since what I get here, since rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix equals 2 will get. So here ಇದು 0 ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ, if this is 0 then rank of A is also 2 and rank of augmented matrix is also 2 will get. So it is, what is number of unknowns? Number of unknowns is 3, n is 3. Here they given xyz, so 3 unknowns they given, so n equals 3. So here now if I solve this one, what do you get here? K square minus what do you get? Minus 2k minus k plus 2 equals 0. So this implies that you'll get k is equal to 1 comma 2. So now we have to solve for each cases. Okay, so for the cases k equals 1 comma 2, the system will have infinite solution. The system will have infinite solution. Now we have to find out each cases for k equals 1 and k is equal to 2. Now here case 1, here k equals 1. The system of equations are x plus y plus z equals 1, and here what do you get here? You get here this one. Here x plus y plus z equals 1, and here what do you get? Y plus 3z. Y plus 3z equals, here I am taking k is equal to 1. If you put k equals 1, what do you get? 1 minus 1, you will get 0. So this term is 0 you will get. And here this whole term, if you put k equals 1, the whole term becomes 0. So no problem in that one. So stop it here only. Now I am taking let z equals k1 because it is infinite solution. If you put 3 minus 2, you will get 1. So you have to take one arbitrary constant as one variable can be taken as one arbitrary constant. So I am taking z is equal to k1. So if you put z is equal to k1, so what you get? Y values, y is equal to minus 3 k1 you will get. So y is equal to 3 k1 means what do you get now here? X here, x equals what do you get? 1 minus z minus y. So x equals 1 minus k1 minus 3 k1. So what do you get here? X is equal to 1 minus minus 3 k1, right? Sorry, it is minus of minus 3 k1. So it is minus k1 plus 3 k1. So you will get 1 plus 2 k1 you will get. So x value is 1 plus 2 k1. So you got the solution for k equals 1. Now case 2, for case 2 k equals 2. The system of equations are what I get here now. The system of equations I got here 1 plus x plus y plus z is equal to 1 you will get here. X plus y plus z equals 1. So x plus y plus z equals 1, and here y plus 3z equals k equals 2. I substitute q minus 1, 2 minus 1, you will get 1. Now here this term becomes 0. Now here you have to take z as k2. Okay, so here so infinite solution ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. So what you get here? Y equals 1 minus 3 k2 you will get. And here you have to find out x value. X equals what you get? 1 minus y minus z. So x equals 1 minus 3 k2 minus k2. So what do you get here? X equals 1 minus 1 plus 3 k2 minus k2. So these two get cancelled. So x equals 2 k2. So x equals 2 k2. So these are the required solutions. And yes, okay. So next problem. Show that the system of equations 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals a, and here 4x plus 5y plus 6z equals b, and here 5x plus 6y plus 7z equals c. possesses a solution if a plus c is equal to 2b. Solve when a comma b comma c equals 1 2 3. Sorry, I missed it here. Possesses a solution, he said. Possesses a solution. This one. Okay, so now solution for this one. Now here also they told the given system of equation as a solution. The given system of equation as solution. Solution means it is consistent. Okay, so first you have to write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is what I get here. Augmented matrix A is to B. Here 3 4 5 is to A, and here 4 5 6 is to B, 5 6 7 is to C. So using R1, make it R1 and R3 first elements 0. So R2, what do you get here? If 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So for 3 times of R2 minus 4 times of R1, and here R3, what do you get here? Here 3 times of R3, ಈ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, minus 5 times of R1, 5 times of R1. So what do you get here? 3 4 5 is to A, and here this term becomes 3 4s are 12, minus 4 3s are 12, so 12 you'll get 0, and here what do you get? You'll get minus 1, and here if you apply for this one, here 3 times of 6 minus 4 times of 5, so you will get minus 2 is to here. What do you get? This term. Now you have to check it here, this term. So 3 into what is R2? It is B, minus 4 times of R1, it is A. So what do you get? 3B minus 4A. And here this term, first term becomes 0, and here for second term, what do you get here? 3 6 are 18, minus 5 4s are 20, so you get minus 2, and here 3 7s are 21, minus 5 minus 5 into 5 25, 21 minus 25 you get minus 4 is to here what do you get? 3C minus 5 times of A, 5 times of A. So now what do you get? A is to B equals here R2 second element, make it R3 second element, using make R2 second element, make it R3 second element 0. So what do you get? Row operation now. Here R3 minus 2 times of R2, here minus into minus is plus ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ minus 2, here minus 1 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 1 plus 2 ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, so this term becomes 0. Now 3 4 5 is to A, 0 minus 1 minus 2 is to 3B minus 4A, 0, and here this term becomes 0, and here what do you get? Minus 4 minus 2 into minus 2, so what do you get here? minus into minus plus minus 4 plus 4, so this term becomes 0 is to what do you get here now? This becomes 3a minus 6b plus 3c. 3a minus 6b plus 3c will get. So if you apply, okay, now what do you get? A is to b. Now here to stop it here only. So now what is the rank of augmented matrix? Rank of augmented matrix is 3, and rank of A matrix is number of non-zero rows 1 and 2, so rank 2. So what they told, the equation as possesses a solution. Possesses a solution means ಅದಕ್ಕೆ solution ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ equation ಗೆ. So solution ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the given equation is consistent when it is possible, if it is 0. So here rank of A equals 2 and the system possesses a solution if when it is possible 3a minus 6b plus 3c equals 0. So this implies that what I get here, a minus, I will divide by 3 here, so 3 in the divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 2b plus c equals 0. So a plus c equals 2b. So here this condition is satisfied. Okay, now you have to solve a b c. So how will you solve the a b c means, I'll take here first what you have to solve, the a b c. So we shall solve the system when a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 3. We have 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals 1, and here minus y plus minus 2z equals what do you get here abc value now. Here system of equation ges ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Okay, so remember that one. So here also what do you get, minus y plus minus 2z equals what do you get here, 3 into 3b minus 4a ಇದೆ, b ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 minus what do you get 4a, ಇದು 2 minus 4a value is 1. So what do you get here, minus y minus 2z equals 6 minus 4 you will get 2. Now you have to take, it is an infinite solution because here rank ಇದು 0 ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ rank of augmented matrix also 2, rank of a is also 2, so it is consistent, rank 2, but number of unknowns ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 2 3, so sorry x y z ಇದೆ number of unknowns, so you will get 3. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, r is less than n ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. r is less than n ಅಂದರೆ here it is an infinite solution, 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 3 minus 2 equals 1. So you have to take any one arbitrary constant ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ z equals what do you get k ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ y ತಗೋತೀನಿ, minus y minus 2z equals to z equals k ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ k equals to y equals 2 plus k. So y is equal to what do you get here, minus 2k minus 2 will get. Okay, now what do you get now here? 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals here a to a ಗೆ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals a to a ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ what do you get here? 3x plus 4 times of what is here? 2k minus 2 plus 5k equals 1. So 3x plus minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8k minus 8 plus 5k equals 1. So 3x equals what do you get? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ 8 plus 1 9 and here 8 plus 3k ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? k plus 3 will get. So this is the required solutions. So what are the required solutions? X equals k plus 3, y equals minus k common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ minus 2 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ k plus 1 and here z equals k is the required solution when a comma b comma c equals 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, you have to remember this one. So next here solution of simultaneous linear algebraic equations. So is the heading. So in this method you get two types. One is Gauss elimination method and another one is Gauss-Jordan method. So another one is Gauss-Jordan method. So I will talk about first here Gauss elimination method. So this method, this is a method of solving a system of linear equations in n variables. So this method make use of elementary row operations. So this method is also referred to as matrix reduction method. Let's start. So here the following steps are involved in solving the system of linear equations using Gauss elimination method. So I'll consider system of equations. Okay, so consider the system of equations. So what I get here, a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 equals b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 equals b2, a23 a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 equals b3. Now step 1. So what do you get here? Step 1. Sorry, no need to step 1. So here first I will write the coefficient matrix. So this equation in the form ax equals b, right? So ax equals b formally there. So what I'll do here, first I'll write here express the given system of linear equations in the matrix form as what I get here, ax equals b. Okay, ax equals b. So a means it is in coefficient matrix and b is x1 x2 x3 matrix and b is b1 b2 b3 matrix. Okay, so I'm writing now augmented matrix for that one. So what do you get, augmented matrix. So a is to b. So augmented matrix, what you get here, a11 a12 a13 and here a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33. So is to b1 is to b2 and is to b3. So this is your augmented matrix. So now here this method is aims to aims in reducing the coefficient matrix A. Coefficient matrix A here this step e portion of b1 b2 b3 ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So coefficient matrix A to an upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, here 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು upper triangular matrix. So here you have to make it these elements 0. So remember that one, these elements you have to make it 0. Okay, so here for reference, okay, so no need to write this one, up to here you have to write, so no need to write that one. So here what do you get, a11 a12 A13 is to B1. Here A21, A22, A23 is to B2, and here A31, A32, A33 is to B3. So you have to make it these two elements 0 now. So using R1, make it R2 and R3 element 0. Okay, so what I get here, A12, A13 is to B1. So this element 0, you will get new element here, and here also you will get new element, and here also you will get new element. Now here this element will get 0, and here we'll get A32 will get new element, A33 will get new element, is to B3 new element will get. Now using R2, make it R3 element 0. So now what you get here, A11, A12, A13 is to B1, here 0, A22 new element, A23 new element is to B2 new element is there 0, and this element becomes 0, and A33 will get new element is to B3 new element will get. Now look at here, this sometimes this element gets 0, otherwise may not be 0. Okay, so for here also ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಕಡೆ 0 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 0 ಆಗದೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, no problem in that one. Here you will get an upper triangular, so you have to stop there. Then you have to find out x, y, z values. Okay, so here after we have to find unknowns. After we have to find unknowns. So remember this thing here, this one you have to remember. Okay, first one, so solve the following system of equations by Gauss elimination method. So what are the system of equation? X plus y plus z equals 9. So x minus 2y plus 3z equals 8. 2x plus y minus z equals 3. Now solution. So what do you get here? Consider ax equals b form, right? So here ax is b, otherwise you can directly write the augmented matrix. No need to write this one. Okay, directly write this one only. The augmented matrix is augmented matrix is A is to B equals, what is the matrix you get? Coefficient matrix. Here 1 1 1 is to 9, here 1 minus 2 3 is to 8, here 2 1 minus 1 is to 3. Now here using R1, make it R2 and R3, first element 0. So what are the row operations you have? So what I get row operations here, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 will get 0. So R3, so R3 minus 2 times of R1, 2 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 1 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 2ನ 1 ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ರೋಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, 1ನ 3ನೇ ರೋಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 0 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A is to B equals, So what you get here, 1 1 1 is to 9. Here you'll get 0, and here you'll get 3. 2 is to minus 1 you'll get, and here 0 minus 1 minus 3 is to minus 15 you'll get. Okay, so now using R2 make it R3 second element 0. So here R3 here R3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So here minus 3 times what do you get, R3 minus 3 times of R2 minus 3 times of R2. So what do you get here, 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 times minus R2 R3. So here 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 3 times of R3 minus here 1 time of R2. ಸೊ R2 ಏನಿದೆ minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, A is to B equals, what do you get here, 1 1 1 is to 9, and here what do you get, 0 minus 3 2 is to minus 1 0, and here this becomes 0, and here this element. So if you apply for this one, so you will get minus 11 is to, and here this element minus 15, so you will get minus 45 minus 1, you will get minus 44. Okay, the system of equations, right? So x plus y plus z equals 9 you will get, and here another one is minus 3y plus 2z equals minus 1, and here minus 11z equals minus 44. So z equals 4 will get. So z equals 4 means what do you get, y value you will get 3, and here x value you will get 2. So how to solve this one means, you know, right? You have to find out x, y, z values. How to verify this answer is correct means, substitute for the given equation. For any one equation you will get 9 equals 9, 8 equals 8, or 3 equals 3. If you get, then it is your answer is correct. Here x value is 2, y value is 3, and z value is 4. 4 plus 3 you will get 7, 7 plus 2 9, so 9 equals 9 you will get. So it satisfies all the 3, remember, then your answer is correct.